Hey guys, just want to make a short video for you guys. When I started my project, I got one of these little attachments to go on my pressure washer for sandblasting. I just want to show it to you real quick. Okay, here's the end of it. I got this from Northern Tools. Just put it in a bag of sand, keep the bag sand dry. Here's the other end of it, real nice. It's metal. It's got a nice metal nozzle, okay? And you just attach it to into your pressure washer. And when I'm using it, I like to hold the hose up like that so water doesn't go back down into my sand feed. But anyway, here's a seat pan riser, part of it. And I've already did the other one, but I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blast that off, and then I'll show you the results afterwards, okay? All right. All right, so just want to give you an update on this blaster. Here's my sand. There's the Northern Tools blaster, pressure washer, 3100 psi. And that's the result. If you saw it before, it was pretty rusty. And so I just swept blast this side, cleaned up the edges, and that thing cleans up pretty good. But just to let you know, that's a little thing, got it on Northern Tools, and it's been a little handy little tool for me, and just wanted to share it with you. All right, bye-bye.